Hello, my name is Brian McGlenn with MarineMax here in Stuart, Florida. Today we're standing next to a 2021 Boston Whaler 405 Conquest. This is a new brokerage listing we have. This is a vessel that was originally purchased from MarineMax, single owner boat, very lightly used, about 125 engine hours, with a lot of warranty remaining. So we'll take you through a quick walkthrough of this boat, show you some of the features, and tell you about some of the history. Again, this is a 2021 Boston Whaler 405 Conquest. No bottom paint. This boat's in really great condition. We just did a haul out and did a complete engine service, generator service, complete compound wax on the hull side and the interior of the boat. She is turnkey, ready for her next owner. We're powered with the quad Mercury 300 V8s. Again, about 125 engine hours. Everything back here is in really good shape. Even the lower units. No paint peeling off or missing. We have underwater lights. This boat's really well optioned out. We'll take you through a couple of the options once we step on here. Starting here with the power, we have quad 300 V8s. Again, 125 hours, just serviced. We do have joystick control. As we move into the boat, we have a freshwater washdown, and this boat does have the reverso engine flush, so hook up to a single point. It's going to flush all your engines out without having to do one at a time. This boat is equipped with the aft summer kitchen, so we have a pull-out refrigerator and a grill up top. Sink and then storage off to each side. Very spacious cockpit here. We have the mechanical area here in the center. This does open up, and then we have the tables, teak tables, that'll drop into the insert. We have one on each side. This boat is equipped with the starboard side pull-out bench seat, full isinglass package, dive door off to the port side. So two boarding areas, one off to the port side, one off to the starboard transom. Aft sunshade is going to pull out. And then as we walk into the helm deck, one of the best parts about the boat, Whaler just did a really good job in this area. Off to the starboard side, you have a nice galley storage and refrigeration, little wine bottle storage as well. Here are your controls for your port side innovative seating arrangement. So this table does go down. This will slide over, forward seat will reverse back, so you have a nice lounger facing in either direction here along the port side. Great visibility all the way around. You can see large glass side windows and a single piece windshield. This boat is equipped with the sunroof. No AC is on right now and it feels great. So you have the sliding windows. Between those, the sunroof, vents, and the port side sliding window, you have a lot of natural airflow coming into the boat. State-of-the-art electronic station, so great command center here, chart plotting. You have optional digital switching here at the helm to control all of your systems. Mercury vessel view, fusion audio, spotlight control. Again, this boat does have the joystick with the sky hook and autopilot, auto leveling trim tabs. And then check this out, off to the port side, we have a 24-inch Raymarine screen with a secondary joystick for docking. Makes docking super easy when you're pulling up to a floating dock on the port side. As we move into the cabin, very spacious cabin. We'll start up forward. We have a forward master stateroom, really nice accent lighting. We do have a pocket door for privacy, island bed, steps leading up on both sides, closet storage off to starboard and port side. This does have the rosewood interior package. So different color wood than your standard boat has. Plus you have this metallic cabinetry throughout the boat. Super sharp looking. In-suite access to the head, or you can access it from the main area. We do have a dry head, very spacious, with a rain shower. Nice galley down below as well. Refrigeration, stovetop. Access to your electrical panel is right here. It's a very, very well equipped cabin area. This boat is Seakeeper stabilized. We have our control display right there. Teak helm deck. You can go with the natural look or stain it if you would like. As we go up to the bow on this 405 Conquest, we have a nice seating, lounging area. This always stays covered, so it's in nice condition. We do have the optional bow shade for the boat. We have a couple poles that'll drop into these rod holders to give you coverage from the sun, windlass anchor. Here's a good look at the hardtop, Ray Marine Open Ray radar, spotlight. There's your sunroof and your Glomax antenna as well for your direct TV. We do have the mesh curtains that'll go around the windshield as well. They'll snap in right here. So for storage situations, keeps your helm area nice and cool, protected from the sun. Again, my name is Brian McGlenn with MarineMax. Pleasure taking you guys through this 2021 Boston Whaler 405 Conquest. Please give me a call directly on my cell with any questions. 561-635-6811 is the best number to reach me on. We look forward to speaking with you soon.